And everybody, good evening, good evening. Happy Sunday. Welcome to Trillionaire Bitch Trader. We all in right now at market open to see what NAS is getting ready to do. We got about 30 seconds before the market opens, so let's see. Woo! It went up. Look at that. Yes, Lord. That's what we wanted. Is that not what we predicted?
Yes, indeed. I'm actually watching my trade from Friday.
Me too. Going straight up,
Yeah.
straight up. I called it.
Yes, you did. 1 second. Right. Oh, and
It's a
where's
profit.
all right. Are we gonna wait 5 minutes, or are we gonna start? Are we gonna wait for this to work its way out?
I don't understand the question. What you want? What's the question? You want to do the analysis?
No, before we start the chart, we're gonna let this play out a few minutes.
Yeah.
Before we start the chart.
Yep. Okay. You ready?
Yep.
All right. Let's start. Where you want to start? Gold or NAS or Bitcoin?
Start with NAS since we're in NAS.
Okay, cool.
All right, we're going to 1 hour. Yeah.
Okay.
Let me full screen this so I can.
I'm looking for my ink pen so I can do my checklist. Oh no. Okay. You ready?
Yep.
All right. So let's go ahead and make this big and let's start with the 1 hour. So here we go. All right, the 1 hour. What's the color of the candle?
Green.
Green. Checkbox. What's the color of the dot?
Our dot is green.
Here's a dot. Dot is green. Okay. Check green. Where are the candles in relation to the EMA? Are they over or under?
Over.
Over. What color is the trend line?
Green.
Did we touch the trend line? Yes or no? Are we touching the trend line?
No, we didn't.
Okay. So what are we doing on the hour? Let's total up how many greens do we have?
First touch, no. All right. Total, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 greens.
And do we have an over or under for EMA?
Over.
Okay, cool. So that means we're in a buy for the 1 hour. Let's do the exact same thing on a 30-minute. What color is the candle?
30, we got a green candle.
What color is the dot?
Green.
Are we over or under the EMA?
Under.
Over.
You said we over?
Look, right here.
The red line? I'm in a 30.
The EMA on 30-minute, we over this white line. That's the EMA.
Oh, I don't have a white line. I got the green and red line.
You don't see the white line on my sheet? I mean on my screen.
Oh, let me go back to your screen. A second here, let me make this bigger. All right, yeah, on your screen. Okay, yeah, I see the white line. Yeah, I'm missing that white line there.
Okay.
Add it back.
That's cool. Now what color is the trend line?
So let me just check that. That is over. Trend line is red.
And did the wick touch the trend line? Yes or no?
No.
Okay, cool. How many reds and how many greens do we have for the 30 minutes?
1 red, 1, 2, 3. 3 greens.
Okay, so we had 3 out of 4. So that's definitely a buy. Let's go to the 15-minute and do the same thing. What color is the candle?
Green.
What color is the dot?
Green.
Where's the EMA, over or under?
EMA is,
We touching it.
yeah, touching it.
Okay, getting ready to go over. What
Oh,
color
yeah,
is the
the
trend
wick
line?
is over, so we mark it as over.
What color is the trend line?
Red.
Now, the good thing about this is that this trend line folded down, getting ready to meet this candle to let you know that a buy is near, that we're gonna keep going on in this buy way, okay? That means that this getting ready to turn green. Awesome. So how many greens do we have on this time period?
3 greens.
How many reds?
1.
Okay, so we still 3 out of 4, so this is still a buy. So let's go to the 5-minute and do the same thing.
Okay, candle is red. Dot is green. EMA position is under. Trend line is red.
It's green. It just turned green. Look. You see that?
Can you point to it with your mouse?
Right here.
Oh, that trend line up there at the bottom. Yeah, I'm looking at the one at the top over the white line. Okay, the bottom is starting it. Okay, so it's green.
It's green.
Okay.
Are we under or over the EMA?
Under.
Absolutely. So now this one is tricky. So is this one a buy or a sell? How many reds do you have?
EMA position is under. I'm sorry, can you say that question again?
How many reds do you have checked?
1, 2, 2.
And how many greens?
2.
So because we don't have one more than the other, because we equal, we have to wait. We have to wait for this time period for it to align with the others. Okay, so we would not.
So this decision for this one would be a question mark?
This decision will be a wait.
Okay.
Yes, it will be a wait. Okay.
Okay.
We have the reason that it's the wait is because it's not aligned. We don't have 3 out of 4 checked. We don't have 3 out of 4 that says a buy. We don't have 3 out of 4 that says a sell. So we have to wait until we get 3 out of 4 that says either buy or sell. Okay. So this is simply the way the chart looks, this just looks like a pullback to come down and close these open orders. So what happens is everything that's done on the left has to happen on the right. So we took this big sell on the left, which means we have to go back up here and close all of these orders on the right. So right now, we went up some, made new orders, got to close them. Go up some more, make new orders, have to close them again. Go up some more, make new orders, have to come back down and close them. Up some, new orders, come back down and close them. Same here, new order, come back down and close them. So we should be going back up momentarily to hit this TP of 23,101. We just have to wait.
All
Right now, we wouldn't get in because we don't want to deal with pullbacks. I don't like
So-
dealing with pullbacks.
Are we gonna run the 1 minute?
Yes, we're going to the 1 minute right now. Now here we are on the 1 minute. What color is the candle?
Green.
What color is the dot?
Green.
What color? I mean, is the EMA over or under? Sorry.
You can make it a little bigger. It is under.
Over.
No, over because you got the red line, not the green one.
Yep. Now what about the?
So it's over.
Is the wick touching the trend line yet?
The wick touching the trend, not yet.
Okay.
So
the 1 minute says what?
Hold on 1 second. Trend line will be red. Wick touch will be no.
How many reds? How many greens?
1, 2, 3. 3 greens. And 1 red.
1 red.
So that means we buy.
We buy.
So we
should be in the buy.
So it's showing me from the chart here that we should.
Now, the reason that we're not going to take a position is because all 5 time frames are not lined up. The 1 minute and the 5 minute are still off. The 5 minute didn't say either one. The 1 minute says buy, but then we got the candle that went down. Now we're going back up. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to wait until we get 5 consecutive green candles in order to get back into this buy. Once we get 5 consecutive green candles, this should turn to a green and we'll be safe. But right now, we're not safe. Okay, because even though it says green trend line here for a buy, this stochastic has not turned red. I mean, it's not turned green for us in order to indicate a buy on the 5 minute. So that means like a 1 minute buy could be just that really swift. Now the 1 minute is going up. Now we align. Here we go. Let's do the 1 minute again. Is the 1 minute touching the trend line? Yes. All right. We're getting ready to turn to green. That's awesome for us. This is green. This is green. We over the EMA. The 1 minute is going. Now we're just waiting for the 5 minute, which should be happening any second now. Okay.
Okay.
If you want to get in and grab some quick pips, you can. On the contrary, I'm gonna wait until the 5 minute just to be safe. I like when things line up. I like influence. So let's do this so that we can see the 1 and the 5 together. Okay, that is the 1 minute. This is the 5 minute. Overall, we still got the hour by. Okay.
Okay.
So now we wait. Now we just watch and we wait. As soon as we get a green dot here, we good.
How often should I be adjusting the checklist? Should I just erase and rewrite or start a new checklist? Because like now that the 1 minute, is gonna be a touch on the wick. Now you change that no to a yes.
Right. So just erase it. You shouldn't have to start a whole nother checklist.
Okay. So how often should I use them? Like once an hour, once every few hours?
You need to be checking this green, the 1 hour, right? So if everything lines up and we take our entry on the 5 minute, we need to be checking this 1 hour to make sure that it's not turning green or it's not curving. Check the 5 minute and the 1 hour. Okay.
Okay, even though we're in the current buy.
Yep.
On the 1 hour. Because everything is showing buy except the 5 minute.
Except the 5 and the 1. So we wait for them to get us influence and then we take the buy. We have less likely to have pullbacks that way. And even if we do have a pullback, it tends to be smaller.
I'm telling you, this thing, fancy. Time. Okay. Any type. Once again, once. I'm not talking about any of that. Hard to, send this to Max. I can find out. Maybe these things. Second. That would be very sensitive. But always the teams. Yeah.
No, we're waiting for a full green candle
Mm-hmm.
on the 1
On the
minute.
5 minute. We waiting for the dot on the 5 minute.
Oh, yeah, on the
See how we
5
got
minute
the-
here.
Right.
Oh, yeah, right.
So
The
this-
first one is NAS.
Mm-hmm. Nas.
That's.
Okay, you see, guys, what I was talking about. Look, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We had a green candle, but we didn't have a green dot. And then on this candle, we start going back to retrace. Okay. This is why we wait for confluence. Because we would have jumped in on this green candle right here and be like, okay, we're getting ready to go. And then it went right back down and been upset. I know I would have been. So this is why we wait. This is why we wait for confluence, guys, because even though the 1 hour said bye, the 30-minute said bye, the 15 said bye. Uh-oh, look, the 15 reversed on us. See? All right, now we got to go back and redo our charts.
All right. We're doing everything from the hour.
Nope. Only thing we got to do is go back to the 15.
15.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You're not gonna redo the 5 and the 1 also?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so 15, 5, and 1.
Yes. So let's start again. Okay.
Hold on a second, just clearing my sheet here.
Mm-hmm.
All right, I'm ready.
All right. Here we go. 15. What color is wait a minute. You know what? That's fine. What color is the candle?
Red.
What color is the dot? We still got a green. We haven't
Green.
got our red yet. Cool. Where's the EMA? Under or over?
Under.
All right. Where's the trend line? What color?
Red.
All right. Do we have 3 out of 4? 3 out of 4 red?
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
We do. The candle's red, the trend
1,
line
2,
red, we under the EMA.
3. Yeah, I counted
All right,
wrong. Yes, we got
awesome.
3.
Cool. So let's go to the 5. Boom. Wasn't that just green? Here we go. Now we got a signal. We got the indicator. We got the 15-minute sell. We got the red candle. We got under the EMA. So we know the 5 and the 15 are in the sale. Now let's go to the 1. Boom, we in a sale. Okay, so we can actually enter this sale here and expect to take it to 40. That will be 25 pips. Now let's see if that happens. Let's take a sale to 40. Okay. I'm entering my sale right now.
Getting in myself.
Boom. Mm.
23,108. I'm sorry, what's 23? 40.
23053.
3053.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it turned on us. Look at that. Dang, right in my face. Let's just see if it breaks this top one. If it breaks this wick, then we definitely got to get out. But if not, we okay. You see what I'm saying? Do you understand that? We get out the sale, get out the sale, get out the sale.
Right out.
Okay. So guys, that's why we take the entrance on the 5 and not the 1 you saw we just had. We thought we had a good sale and it turned around on us that fast and I lost $3. I don't know how much you lost because it was a quick one too.
Well,
Okay. All right.
so now we gotta look back at the charts now. Then we go to the charts again, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So here we go to the 5-minute and let's just wait. Let's wait for this dot. Let's just wait before we do anything. We just gonna wait.
Okay.
Okay, for sure, before an entry. Let's just wait a second. No time for no mix-ups. So if you look at the chart, guys, you can see we have something on called Heikin-Ashi candles. You can see this right here, it says Heikin. That's what it's for Heikin-Ashi. I'm gonna show you something really quickly. The reason that we use Heikin-Ashi candles as opposed to any other candles is they tell us to stay in a trend longer. So if we use the regular candles, we into out one, into out one, into out one, jumping all over the place. The buys don't look clean. The sales don't look clean. It's too much noise, right? Just look at this. We can see that this is a clear buy up. On the contrary, look at the candles in between. We just have it on regular candles. Look at this gap. We don't even know what that one was, right? Now, when we switch to Heikin-Ashi, it makes that move much more clear. See? Much more clear. You can see that it's a clear buy, right? Look at that same move with the regular candles. Right here. Shareable buy. You know what? Let me mark it so you know exactly where it starts. Okay? And we'll see the difference. Okay? Here's a clear pattern. Right there. Regular candles. Heiken Nashi candles. Does everybody see the difference? It's a clear buy versus buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, 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 buy. Okay. So for me, that just makes the market a little bit more understandable for me, a little cleaner. Oh, I forgot to switch it back. You didn't even tell me. Okay. So let's while we're waiting on Nas, let's go and do another pair. Let's evaluate gold. Okay. Let's work on gold. So here we go. We're gonna start with the 1 hour for gold. Here we go. What color is the candle?
Red.
All right. What color is the dot signal?
1 second.
Red.
I'm just labeling my sheets there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Red candle. Dot is red.
Mm-hmm. Are we above or below?
Is above.
Mm-hmm. Trend line.
It's green.
Are we touching it?
Close to touching, but
Almost.
almost.
So that means keep an eye out on it, that we might be getting ready to stay in this sale. That means that trend line might be getting ready to turn to red, and that will make this an official sale. So for me, I'll put almost in a question mark because we are close to our sale, and we're gonna keep checking in on this one. Let's go to the 30-minute. Here we go.
Red candle.
Red candle.
Dot red.
Dot red. Trend line.
Position is it's kind of touching the EMA, but the wick is under.
The wick is over.
Oh, so the wick will be considered over. Okay. Over for EMA. Trend line is green.
But we touching it.
Yes.
So what do you mean we touched the trend line?
It's about the reverse.
There we go.
Touch, yes. Okay. This one here will be still a question mark also, because it's half and half.
Now, like the reason that it wouldn't be is because if we look at the bottom of it, if we look at the RSI at the bottom, we see it is getting ready to turn because it's oversold. So we're gonna keep an eye on this one and turn around in order to go to the buy. Okay. So it's priming up, it's getting ready for us. It's not quite there yet, but it's getting ready to buy. We can see that. So let's go to the 15 and see what the 15 is doing. Where's the 15? What color is the candle? Candle's red. We touching the EMA. The trend line is red. The dot is red. So we definitely selling on a 15. 15 is definitely a sale. 5 minute. All right, here we got the overbought because we got the line. I'm sorry, oversold. We have a green candle. We're still under the EMA.
Sorry about that. I'm back.
No worries. We're still under the EMA. And the trend line is red. So this one still says sell, but we don't have everything is not complete. The reason this one is it's a sale buy, and we were waiting until we got the dot is because, like I said, again, we on already at the oversold sign. Right here at the 20 line, so we at oversold. So we're getting ready to turn any minute now. Okay. And as you can see, the green dot, the green candle is an indication of that, but we still want to wait for the green dot just to be safe. Because if it's all on Nas, we did wait for the green dot and it switched on us and we lost some money. I lost some money. I don't like losses, even though it was $3. I don't like it. Now the 1 minute says buy. Okay. But no, it doesn't. The green candle says buy. We still have a red dot. We still have a red trend line and we still under the EMA. So the 1 minute still says sell. So for me, I'm gonna wait to the 5 minute, right? And wait for the 5 minutes to give us a dot that says buy before I get into this trade. So now we know that gold is a wait and we know that NAS is a wait. So we just check in on gold on the 5 minute and check in on NAS on the 5 minute. Let's see. Oh, there we go. We got our 5 minute buy on NAS. There's our green dot. Let's go. We can get in the trade. Take a buy on NAS.
Oh, good, you're right. I don't think.
TP should be 108. That'll give us 15 pips. Okay,
Gotcha.
let's go. Wow, that was fast, wasn't it?
Yeah, because I already took profit on my buy I got in before I closed that early
Right.
sale.
I
Yeah, I
never
saw it
closed my
closed
buy
out.
from. I never closed my buy from when the market opened. I sat through the pullback. I never closed it.
Yeah, I got that. And then I'm already 100 up on Friday's buy
Uh-huh. That's what's up.
over on another account. So yeah, the buy's been running since 5 o'clock.
Yes. I never even got out. So if you see what we're talking about, here
Right.
is
Yeah.
5 o'clock. We jumped up to 23087 and then we came down. We retraced for 15 minutes. We came down to 061 and then jumped right back up, even higher than the previous 5 o'clock candle. So I never got out. And the reason that I didn't exit the trade is because we were still buying on the 1 hour. So I stayed in through this 15-minute pullback and it paid off because I'm in good profit. $580 so far. And this is a trade that I held on from Friday because I knew we were going to have a big buy when the market opened today, Sunday. Okay, let's check in on gold, guys, really quickly and see if that made its move yet. Go for the 5 minute. There we go. We can get in gold as well. And we can take gold to 53. So we got a 5 minute dot on gold and a 5 minute dot on NAS. And we are in 2 buys right now, guys. 47. You know what? Let's be safe. Let's take gold to 50. We'll take 53 as TP2 because it's going to pull back somewhere in there. Okay. All righty. These markets are live and moving. Let's go. Oh, look at Nas, my baby. Let's go. Just a little pullback. It's okay. Going back up. Trading live, making money right before our eyes. This is beautiful.
Oh.
Come on, gold. Is that liquidity see? We got a 5 minute. We good. Okay. Come on, Nas. Give me my TP.
Since against the line, you can find a solution.
Guys, we would usually play music. On the contrary, the last video we had, YouTube took it down because of the music guidelines. So we just stuck. Listen to the background noise in Chicago. So we see right now on the 1 minute, guys, we're doing an oversold. We got a red dot. On the contrary, we can stay in here because we still got a 5 minute buy and a 1 hour buy. Okay. Now, if we get the 5 minute dot, then we jump out.
What's the number of combinations for wins?
But NAS moves, it just moves weirdly. And so what can happen is we can actually have this dot change back into a green and go up and hit this take profit. So we just got to sit and wait. We wait. It's like a toddler. It does what it wants to do when it want to do it. You got to wait. It doesn't listen to anybody. That's why we call it nasty NAS. Right, cuz?
Yeah, exactly.
So the one thing that I like about the system that we developed is that we don't have to go through all of these market terms. We don't have to go through all of this terminology. We didn't do fair value gaps. We didn't do change of structure, basic structure, internal structure. We didn't do any of those things, and we didn't get confused. I like using the indicators that I have because it takes out all of the guesswork. It takes out me having to draw lines. It takes out me having to do a top down. Well, not the top down, but marking the higher highs, lower lows, the daily high. It just takes out a lot of the guesswork and a lot of the paperwork. I just simply put the indicators on. I know how to read them, go through the checklist from the top down, and take my entry on the 5 minute because I know that for every candle on the 5 minute is going to be 5 minutes of up or 5 minutes of down. And so for me, the 5 minute charts, the moves are bigger and worth more to me than the moves on the 1 minute chart. And as we're trading with any time frame, as you go higher, the money is more. So if you're trading off the 5 minute chart, the money is more than the 1 minute chart. The 15 chart is more than the 5. The 30 minute chart is more than an hour. The hour chart is more than a 30, and so on and so forth. You kind of get the picture. So if you trade on a weekly chart, you got some big cojones, and I'm not there yet. I can't sit through those pullbacks, man. It drive me crazy. It's like your money be up so high, then it go down to negative, only to turn around, but I can't sit through the negative part. I'll be biting my fingernails and pulling out my hair. Smoking cigarettes and drinking coffee, and I don't do either.
Yeah, they can run for a while.
Uh-huh.
That's how you got out. Thanks.
You want to look at another pair, cuz? Should we look at another pair? What was one of those you were trading before? You was doing some type of overseas indice, wasn't you?
Yeah, it was Frank 40.
Frank what?
Yeah, 40.
Frank
France
40.
top, yeah, the France top 40 market.
This one? Is this it? FRA 40?
I'll just double check out what it say over here.
No, well, let's do it. I'm gonna do a Forex pair.
Because it's in it's FRA 40
Okay.
indices.
I did a Forex pair for people that trade Forex. Well, not everybody, but a lot of people trade USD, JPY. So I'm gonna go ahead and do an analysis on USD, JPY really quickly for people that trade Forex pairs. Oh wow. Okay, UJ, you ain't playing no games. All right. So here we go. Let's start with the hourly, right? Overall, we got a sale on UJ. We got a red candle and a doji. So this could actually be turning into a buy for UJ, right? But overall, according to the checklist, we have a red trend line, a red candle, a red dot, and we're over the EMA. All right, so we got 3 out of 4, so that says sell. Let's go to the 30-minute. We got a green candle on the 30-minute, a green dot. We touching the EMA, and our trend line is red. So we got 3 out of 4 saying a buy. So we gotta relax on this one. So if the 30 has been going up for 2 green candles, that means it's going up for an hour. That means that hourly should be going for a buy soon, and that's why we got that doji there. Okay, so we actually anticipating a buy, and we got a B underneath this candle. So let's go to the 15-minute. Oh, great. 15, 30, 45. We've already been buying for now. So that our candle is just due for a buy in about 4 minutes, right? I'm sorry, in about 20 minutes. Let's see the 5 minutes. I'm sorry. The green dot is a buy. The green candle is a buy. The trend line is still red, and we are just touching the EMA. So we're in a buy, right? But it's not aligned with the 30-minute and the 1 hour yet. The 5 minute. 5 minutes says buy, but the 5 minutes says overbought. As you can see, we over the 80 mark on this line, which means we're getting ready for a sale soon. Okay, so now the candle is green. We're not touching the EMA. The trend line is green. The dot signal is green. This one still says buy. And now the 1 minute. The 1 minute says buy. We have a green dot, a green candle. We over the EMA, and we have a green trend line. Now, this one is tricky because on the 1 minute, we have something that's called consolidation. It means the market isn't really going up or down. And as you can see, these candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. These last 17 candles have pretty much been in the same area, right? Nobody's broke this one at the top. Nobody's broke this one at the bottom. So that's what we call consolidation. So we're waiting for these candles to make a move to show us which way the trend will continue to go, either up or down. We need to break this high in order for us to be out of this consolidation and this low. That's our consolidation point. So now it looks like the price is going to break it. So now we just wait for UJ to break on the 1 minute. Overall. Did we get a 5 minute buy yet? We got the buy. Wait for the 15 buy, 30 buy, 1 hour. That's what we wait for. Let's go. So overall, USDJPY will be in the buy. And there it is, right there in our face, steady buying. Don't shoot. Wow. You might know the way out. Just like that. Oh wow, let's look at Nas. Nas is knocking it out the park. Anybody paying attention to nasty Nas? Look at that baby. We almost at our TP. What was our TP, cousin?
23, 108. I closed mine out.
You did?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, right before the retraction came.
Okay.
Yeah, I was already up, so. Yeah, 23, 108. Yeah.
108. Okay. We at 100 right now. We just went down.
Right, because I
Almost
re-entered
there. I see right here.
102.
This way you would have changed right there because it got close and it came down like it was gonna fall. I see it. I understand. And even on the 1 minute, it looked like a reversal. Mm-hmm. I get it. You trying to protect what you have. I'd rather protect it than lose it.
Exactly.
Like you can
I was
always
taking
get
a little right. I jumped back in at 102, so I knew it was going to
right.
108.
Mm-hmm. You can always take a re-entry.
We just wait it out.
Yeah, you can always take a reentry. I'd rather you close out with some profit than to lose everything that you made. You know, that's for the scalpers. Close out with some, don't lose none. I like that slogan. Close out with some, don't lose none. All right, it looks like we're getting ready to get a red dot on the 5 minutes. So if that happens, I'm gonna close out and then just take a reentry when it goes back up. Because we retracted on the 1 minute. You see we retracted on the 1 minute.
Yeah.
So let's just see if it hit that. If we get a sale on a 5 minute, then I'm getting out. I'm just gonna wait. And now we play the waiting game. We wait.
Yeah, since I see the hour still got some more buying up to do. 30 minutes got a little bit more time. Yeah, we overbought in the 15.
Okay, can you go back and explain? I'm gonna put it up on my chart and you tell me what's happening. So they can see that you understand too, and it's not just me. So there's a 30 minute, here's a 30 minute, here's a 15. And what other time frame you want?
I was running it back from the hour to the 15.
Okay, so let me hit. Okay, here go the hour. I want you to run it back. So let me pull it on full. All right, there go the hour. Talk to him, tell him what's happening.
All right, so what I'm looking at, my train of thought to stay in this buy, even though we had a retraction on the earlier time frames, is the bottom. If you look at the bottom of the chart, we got the green dot on the hour here, which is steady going up. It still has some ways to go to hit the top of the white line. And I'm looking at the candles and I'm seeing that these candles are getting larger, and it's still over the EMA line. So even though we got some retraction on those earlier time frames, I'm believing in getting at least another 30 minutes or so of buying equity in this buy. So I'll stay in it. And then if she takes it over to the 30 minute, you can see exactly the same thing. If you see the line, the green line is a lot bigger. It's closer to reaching that white line. So that lets me know I got, probably get another 10 minutes out of it. And once again, the candles are continually to get to be bigger and bigger green candles, and it's over the white EMA line. It hasn't reached that red line yet. The wick hasn't touched. So that lets me know, once again, looking at that and below at the bottom, the green line still trending up, that I got a few more minutes in there. And the last time frame I looked at was the 15, which you see shortens it, and it shows me the overbuy. You see the green line is over the white line at the bottom there. So that lets me know we're in the overbuy. And
cuz your voice sound like muffled or something. Like the computer messing up a little bit.
yeah, this probably is I lost my my buffer for the mic, so I have to
Don't worry about it.
get me
Okay.
another one. So yeah.
It's good. You good. We still understand you. Come
But
on.
that's pretty much it. And we can see the same thing here on the 15, so because it's two candles there, is already reaching the red line, so we're about ready to get into the sell territory. But
In addition, we got this. We just got a new trend line. Look, guys, right there. See the new trend line? You see it, cousin?
see the green
Yep, right there. We just got
starting
the
to
number
form on the
4.
number 2, on the 4.
Yep, right there. That's what we're talking about. So that let us know
So
to stay in this trend.
that's letting us know what we said earlier, that 1 hour, that 30 minutes still has some more buying opportunities.
Absolutely. Now here go to 5. We curving. So what does this usually mean? Because when we're doing this,
When it's curving, it's getting ready to retrace. It's coming back
right.
down. It's coming into a sell.
But it can be like just this little bit and then take right back off. So we just wait. We wait unless it's a red dot. We don't exit
Right.
this trade. Okay. When we get a red dot, we for sure exit this trade. So we just wait and watch. All right. So let me go back to the 5 minute here, so we'll know what time frame we're looking at. 5 minute, 1 minute, and then 1 hour. There we go. Okay, guys. Now we just wait and we watch. We waiting for this to turn red so we can get out the trade. You know what? I'm gonna get out right now because it's already down too low for me. So I'm gonna close my trade right now.
All right.
And I'm gonna go check on my gold trade. And my gold trade is down.
Yes, it's down.
It's down 10 pips. There we go. Look at that. 5-minute overbought signal down right when I close it. Jesus, was that on time or what? Wow. That was on time.
That was for Nas, right?
Uh-huh. Look right there. There go the 5-minute dot. Just popped up. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out.
And that's on the 1 hour?
On a 5-minute.
On a 5-minute. Okay. That's on a
Right here. That's what I was
5-minute.
waiting. I said I don't hold the 5-minute pullbacks because they be too big. I need to keep my money. I don't hold it. I can hold the 1 minute, but not that 5.
I'm gonna do a quick screen share real quick.
Okay, let me stop.
Real quick screen.
Okay, go ahead. You got it.
Show you this here real quick. Screen we're looking at here. All right.
You got the it's just showing us the presentation.
All right.
There you go. Here you come.
Screen.
Right. Yeah.
So just based on a little bit feedback on what she was just saying here. Now, when I said I was running off that 1 hour and that 30 minutes for that buy, and she just pulled out on her sale. Since I'm running a sale and a buy at the same time, I'm gonna bank on that this $25 loss is gonna actually be something in the positive by the time that 1 minute. I'm sorry, by the time that 1 hour maxes out. You know, so if we're gonna on the retraction she showed you on the 5-minute, I'm already in this NAS sale, so that gives me an opportunity to bring that negative into a positive. Anything close to the positive, I don't care if it's $10, I'm gonna take it. You know, when I look at the charts and I realize, okay, my 1 hour is about ready to retrace. And then it's not going to matter anymore what's going on at the 5 and the 1. I'm going to be losing, you know, for an extended period of time. You know, so I'm just going to run this until that 1 hour get closest to topping out, and hopefully we'll be in the profit by then.
So this, look at your the first one, your buy is going up because it was 24, now it's 14. So it done went up $10 already.
Well, since we've been on today, you can see this is what I closed. So in the last 53 minutes, $43 total, but then we still got opportunity to eat some more in here because that gold just retraced a bit, but gold's going to come back up. So I'm going to leave that open also.
Yep, gold always goes up. Always.
Right.
Like always fix itself. Like you can get bank on gold. Look at that. Look right before our eyes. It was just at 50 cents.
Right. So we're gonna bank on you, and you see my take profits here. So
and look at your NAS right back up. Look at NAS went right back up.
Exactly. What I tell you about that buy. I'm at a -9. We just started out. I was a -30 something.
Yep. NAS and 9. Yep.
Yeah, but I'll turn it back over to trillionaires.
Okay, get back to my screens. All right. So Nas just did a retrace on the 5-minute. As you can see right here, and turn right back around. That red dot is gone, nowhere in sight, and I'm pretty sure we're getting ready to hit this 108. So that's what I was saying before. Sometimes Nas will come down and turn right back around on you, and it just did that to us on the 5-minute. Had I not been too chicken, I should have held it, but no, I'd rather be chicken and in profit than stupid and out of profit and negative. Well, not stupid, but you know what I'm saying, made a bad choice. So Nas getting ready to hit 108.
Like we like to say, be greedy.
Be greedy. There we go. Being greedy. I was happy with my low.
Being greedy.
Happy with my profit.
All right,
Instead of being greedy.
sometimes, you know, when we having such a good day and we in those good moods, sometimes when you taking your trades, you just feel like not following TP. Just feel like, you know what, I want $100 right now. So you're gonna put take profit in 100 and you're gonna follow your chart and you're gonna walk away. Wait for it to hit $100. You may get it in an hour, 30 minutes, but if your chart's right, your analysis is correct, and if you follow the checkpoint, the system that Trillionaire put together, you'll see it works for you. We're using it live right now, and I'm already in profit. And just some trades I just hadn't closed out on, you know, because due to my experience and knowledge, I know it's gonna flip around. But that checklist she has, you know, once again, you can reach her at Trillionaire Bitch on Instagram, on TikTok, or you can reach us at ensconsultations.com, and we're here to assist you in your journey. We're new at actually going live and, you know, spreading our knowledge out to the people. So just bear with us. Our presentations, our videos, and everything is going to improve over time. But we have a lot of people calling us, and we're spending time with Zoom meetings, helping and assisting. So we realizing that we really have some talents and some knowledge and some insight that can help a lot of people. So join us on this mission, on this journey, and we're here to trade with you.
Absolutely. We want everybody to win. Like, it's enough money for us all. Forex is a $7 trillion a day industry. I know I don't even want $1 trillion. I just want just $1 billion a day. That's all I want. How much you want, cuz?
Trill is fine.
$1 trillion a day is fine for you? Okay, then.
You know,
that's me thinking small.
We're business.
Right.
So you
Right.
tell me if Nvidia can be worth 4 trillion, well, I can't.
That's it. Well, I can't. What's stopping me?
And Nvidia hadn't been around long.
That's it.
And it already passed Amazon, so that says a lot.
Almost. Already.
And if anybody remembers, we just had COVID, no chips, there was no semiconductor chips. Now all of a sudden, Nvidia is worth 4 trillion.
Jesus.
We should have got an Nvidia a long time ago.
Well, we didn't know. Our journey started
right.
afterwards. You know, we know now, and that's the thing. Like, we can get in and we know what to look for now. We know to keep our ears to the street for the next big one. So we know to watch XRP and Ethereum and Bitcoin. We know what to watch now.
Just watch right. The new AIs they dropping, the new cars. Everything go through Nvidia.
And so yeah, we can look at Nvidia and take money out the market, just playing with the fluctuations, playing with the up and down. We know what to do. We don't have to own it.
Yeah,
we can make money off of it, just off of going up and down.
I actually traded on my trading view. That's another platform that you guys can trade on. We actually do our analysis on our trading view charts. We'll place our trades in Trade Locker.
Yep. KOT Forex.
We you know, when we going live and things like that, we're gonna always be in a demo account. We'll never give you guys access to know what the actual accounts have. That just doesn't make sense. Make it make sense. So you'll never see that. But we'll show you the same thing that we'll show you when you join our class, how to set your own account up and trade on your demo account, and then go over and place your trades in your live account. So you can do some back testing over here to prepare yourself, especially if you're using our charts and you're in training and you're following our charts. You can back test in your demo, go over to your live 1 minute later, 30 seconds later, if you feel strong about it, and watch it.
Absolutely. So the most important thing about trading is practice, right? Practice makes better. Practice doesn't make anything perfect because nothing is perfect, but practice makes better. So even with the 5-point checklist, because if you're new to trading, it's going to be something new. You have to practice it first. So we advise our clients against putting money into the market the first 2 weeks. We need you to practice, and get this system down pat before you put money in, and then you go. That way you won't, if you lose, it'll discourage you and make you not want to trade anymore. And that's not what we want. We want you to keep a good momentum. We want you to keep your mind strong, keep a good positive attitude. And so that's why we recommended demo first. Because you're gonna lose, because it doesn't make sense. You think you got it and then you get on the chart and it didn't work. So practice, 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 so that when you get in front of the chart, you know exactly what to look for and it works well.
All right, I just closed out positive in that NAS buy.
I'm still waiting for it to hit 108. I took another entry. So I'm gonna hold it to 108. I got
Yeah.
5 more pips to go.
Yeah,
Oh,
I should have. I see the next candle just went up. I should have stayed in, but
I'm staying in to 243. We just gotta
yeah, it looked like it was about to curve on the 15-minute.
yeah, that hour just went up. So it's gonna retrace some. It is. We know this. We know it's gonna retrace, and that's fine. But I wanna I know I'm staying into at least this 108. And maybe after the retracement I'll get back in and take it to 242. But I know we just got a good hour back.
Yeah,
So, mhm.
doing analysis here, the 1, the 5, the 15, everybody's overbought.
Everybody's buying overbought. So what he
Yeah,
means
so
by
it's time
that
to get
is
back in.
what he means by that is if you look at the green line right here on the 1 minute, you see it's over the white line, that means overbought. On the 5 minute, it's over the white line, that means overbought. So on the 15-minute, it's over the line, that means overbought. This is 15-minute. On the 30-minute, it's not there yet. So remember what he was saying earlier, that we still have some ways to go in the hour. And just like he said, it was overbought. There's the 1 minute sale. The 5 minutes should follow. The 15 should come after that because everything is overbought. Okay. Clearly, indication of what happens. That's how easy it is. We can read the charts. We saw that everything was overbought and we knew that a pullback was coming soon. There's the pullback right there on the 1 minute. Let's see if it happens on the 5, the 15, and the 30. Oh, we're right back up. Look at that. Back up. Still didn't hit my 108. 105, not 108 yet. And so the reason that I said I was going to hold it until 243, 231 is because the 1 hour gave us a take profit of 223, 156. So that's why I said I will hold it there. Nope, that's not the 1 hour. My bad. That's the 1 hour. And the TP was at 242. That's why I was holding it to that number. 1 minute going back up, even though it's overbought. 1 hour, 5 minute, 1 minute. Okay.
Yeah, that was a big quick retraction.
Real quick.
PCC straightening back out.
Mm-hmm. We never got the 5 minute sale though, look. And it's as simple as that, guys. We never got the 5 minute sale, so we didn't take the sale, right? And look, if we traced a little bit on the 1 minute, went back up, and it's still going back up. So we just wait and see. Come on, let's put more pips. Ah, there we go. Up and down. Now we play this game. You said something?
No.
Okay.
We'll take the $12 loss.
You said a $12 loss?
Yeah, I see the retraction about to come soon, but I need to get out of this the sale. Yeah, I'm about 80 down on the sale already. So I'm really waiting for the sale.
It's coming right here on the 1 minute. Look.
Yeah, Yeah, I see the fight going on right now.
Uh-huh.
That's what we like to call it when it's retracing numerous candles. You see, we already 4 or 5 minutes in, a bunch of retracing. So the buys and the sells are going at it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, 1, 2, 6.
Come on. So how was your day today? Did you take a walk? How the kids?
Everybody's great. Yeah, I
Yeah.
stepped out for a second, stretch, got a little air. It's a pretty nice day out there today. It's 73 degrees. Can't complain.
Mhm.
Cool,
Right,
cool.
not too hot. Not too hot. Like
Yeah,
perfect weather.
need a break from all the hot weather.
Mm-hmm.
Mhm. Yeah, just hugging that EMA right now.
Mm-hmm. Just playing. Now the one thing is we can never make the market do what we want to do. The market does what it wants. All we can do is wait.
Of emergency in February. Government officials confirming that a fire at Exelon non-residents to be serious malfunction. The city affects to investigate the cause of the fire, whether it was the electrical issue or active status. Here, so everyone who has already.
There we go. Back up.
And stay together.
There we go. Now come on, just give me my 108. Okay, Nas. There we go.
I'm looking at this girl and I thought that was that.
NAS plan.
I'm not sure yet.
But you see, guys, how on the 1 minute it gave us another dot to buy. Even though it giving us a sale, it still gave us the 1 minute dot to align with the 5 minute was still buying the 15 to 30 and the 1 hour. So the 1 minute remains overbought. Right here, we got a red dot and then a green one. So we're still in an overbought situation here. And so I'm gonna stop being greedy and take my little profit because it's getting ready to turn around any second. And when it turns, it's gonna be a quick one, and I don't want to be in the negative on this. So I'll wait. So now we just wait. And for another setup of a sale or buy. Did you take your profit on gold? I got to 49. I took mine at 49.
Oh yeah, I closed it out a few minutes ago.
Okay.
Yeah, I closed everything but the sale on NAS, so Then I can
Okay.
start fresh again.
Okay, I took my, yeah, I think we got in at 47 and it was supposed to go to 50 and I took mine at 49 because it went to like 49.3 or some stuff like that. And so I was like, yeah, that's close enough. I closed.
Just stop leaving yourself to death with memories.
Yeah. $52.
Hmm?
Take profit was at 352 on the go.
Mm-hmm. Okay, guys, we have been trading for an entire hour. We are going to let you guys go and look for some more trades. If we find something else, we will jump back on. As always, thank you for joining us. Thank you for allowing us to be in your energy and share our knowledge. Thank you for being a recipient and just thank you for being a part of our journey. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you all.